Welcome. Today, we're diving into the art of problem solving. Whether you're facing challenges at work, in school, or in daily life, strong problem solving skills can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll explore practical steps and proven strategies to help you tackle problems with confidence. Let's start by understanding what problem solving really means and why it's so important in every aspect of our lives. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. Problem solving is more than just finding answers. It's a process of identifying challenges, analyzing situations, and developing effective solutions. This skill is essential for personal growth and professional success. By improving your problem solving abilities, you'll be better equipped to handle unexpected obstacles and make smarter decisions. Let's break down the core components of effective problem solving and see how you can apply them in real life. First step in solving any problem is to clearly identify what the problem actually is. Sometimes what seems like a problem is just a symptom of a deeper issue. Take time to define the problem as specifically as possible. Ask yourself questions like, what exactly is happening? When did it start? Who is involved? By clarifying the problem, you set a strong foundation for finding the right solution. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to analyze the situation. Gather all relevant information and look at the problem from different angles. Consider the factors that might be contributing to the issue. This could involve talking to others, researching, or reviewing data. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to understand the full scope of the problem. Now comes the creative part, brainstorming possible solutions. Don't limit yourself at this stage. Write down every idea that comes to mind, no matter how unconventional it seems. The goal is to generate as many options as possible. You can do this alone or with a group. Remember, sometimes the best solutions come from unexpected ideas. With a list of potential solutions, it's time to evaluate each one. Consider the pros and cons, possible risks, and the resources required for each option. Which solutions are most practical? Which are most likely to succeed? This step helps you narrow down your choices and focus on the most promising paths forward. After evaluating your options, it's time to make a decision. Choose the solution that best addresses the problem and fits your circumstances. Trust your analysis and don't be afraid to commit. Making a decision is a crucial step. Without it, progress stalls. Remember, it's better to make a thoughtful choice than to remain stuck in indecision. Now, put your chosen solution into action. Create a plan, set clear steps, and assign responsibilities if needed. Taking action turns your ideas into reality. Remember, even the best solution won't work unless you implement it. Stay focused and follow through with determination. After taking action, it's important to review the results. Did your solution work as expected? What went well and what could be improved? Reflecting on the outcome helps you learn from the experience and refine your approach for next time. This step is key to continuous improvement. One of the most powerful ways to improve your problem-solving skills is to embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you can develop your abilities through effort and learning. Challenges become opportunities to grow, and mistakes are valuable lessons. With this mindset, you'll approach problems with confidence and resilience. Active listening is a crucial skill for effective problem-solving. When you truly listen to others, you gain new perspectives and insights that can help you understand the problem better. Practice listening without interrupting, ask clarifying questions, and show empathy. This not only builds trust but also leads to better solutions. Working with others can significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities. Collaboration brings together diverse skills, experiences, and viewpoints. When you brainstorm and discuss solutions as a team, you're more likely to find creative and effective answers. Don't hesitate to seek input from colleagues, friends, or mentors. Problems can be stressful, but staying calm is essential. When you're calm, you think more clearly and make better decisions. Practice deep breathing, take breaks if needed, and approach the situation with a level head. Remember, a calm mind is a powerful tool for solving even the toughest problems. Asking the right questions is a hallmark of great problem solvers. Instead of jumping to conclusions, dig deeper by questioning assumptions and exploring different angles. Questions like, why is this happening? Or what if we tried a different approach? Can lead to breakthrough insights. Large problems can feel overwhelming. A helpful strategy is to break them down into smaller, manageable parts. Tackle each part one at a time and celebrate small wins along the way. This approach makes complex challenges feel less daunting and helps you maintain momentum. Visual tools like mind maps, flowcharts, and diagrams can help you organize your thoughts and see connections between ideas. These tools make it easier to analyze problems and communicate solutions to others. Don't hesitate to sketch things out on paper or use digital tools for clarity. Feedback is a valuable resource for improving your problem-solving skills. Be open to constructive criticism and learn from others' experiences. Feedback can reveal blind spots and help you refine your approach. Remember, every piece of feedback is an opportunity to grow. Mistakes are inevitable, but they're also powerful teachers. When things don't go as planned, take time to reflect on what happened and why. Use these lessons to adjust your strategies and avoid similar pitfalls in the future. Embracing mistakes as learning opportunities will make you a stronger problem solver. Critical thinking is the backbone of effective problem solving. It involves analyzing information objectively, questioning assumptions, and making logical decisions. Practice evaluating evidence, considering alternatives, and thinking through consequences. The more you develop your critical thinking skills, the better you'll be at solving problems. Curiosity fuels problem solving. When you're curious, you're more likely to explore new ideas and seek out information that can lead to innovative solutions. Ask questions, read widely, and never stop learning. Curiosity keeps your mind flexible and open to new possibilities. Logical reasoning helps you connect the dots and make sound decisions. Practice breaking down problems into logical steps, identifying cause and effect, and drawing conclusions based on evidence. This approach minimizes guesswork and increases your chances of finding effective solutions. Emotions can influence how we approach problems. Being aware of your feelings and managing them effectively is crucial. If you're frustrated or anxious, take a step back and give yourself time to cool off. Emotional balance allows you to think more clearly and make better choices. Setting clear goals gives you direction and purpose when solving problems. Define what success looks like and outline the steps needed to get there. Clear goals help you stay focused and motivated, making it easier to measure progress and celebrate achievements along the way. Time management is key to effective problem solving. Allocate enough time to analyze the problem, brainstorm solutions, and implement your plan. Avoid rushing, but also be mindful of deadlines. Good time management ensures you don't overlook important details or make hasty decisions. Organization helps you keep track of information, ideas, and progress. Use checklists, notes, or digital tools to stay on top of tasks. An organized approach reduces stress and ensures nothing falls through the cracks as you work toward a solution. Persistence is essential when solving tough problems. Don't give up if your first solution doesn't work. Keep trying, adapt your approach, and learn from setbacks. Persistence often leads to breakthroughs that wouldn't happen otherwise. Sometimes, inspiration comes from unexpected places. Read about how others have solved similar problems, watch videos, or talk to people outside your usual circle. New perspectives can spark creative solutions and help you see your challenge in a new light. Technology offers powerful tools for problem solving. From research databases to project management apps, digital resources can help you gather information, organize tasks, and collaborate with others. Don't hesitate to leverage technology to streamline your problem-solving process. Great problem solvers balance creative thinking with logical analysis. Creativity helps you generate new ideas, while logic ensures your solutions are practical and effective. Practice switching between these modes of thinking to find the best answers to complex challenges. Flexibility is key when things don't go as planned. Be willing to adjust your approach and try new strategies if needed. Flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and find solutions even when the situation shifts unexpectedly. Keeping a record of your problem-solving process can be incredibly helpful. Document what worked, what didn't, and any insights you gained. This not only helps you learn but also provides a reference for future challenges. Over time, you'll build a toolkit of strategies that work for you. Don't forget to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements boosts motivation and reinforces positive problem-solving habits. Take time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for a job well done. Continuous learning is essential for improving problem-solving skills. Stay curious, seek out new knowledge, and be open to new experiences. The more you learn, the more tools you'll have at your disposal when facing challenges. Like any skill, problem-solving improves with practice. Challenge yourself with puzzles, games, or real-life scenarios that require creative thinking. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become at tackling problems of all kinds. Take time to reflect on how far you've come. Look back at the problems you've solved and the skills you've developed. Reflection helps you appreciate your growth and identify areas for further improvement. It's a powerful way to stay motivated and focused on your journey. Having a support network can make problem-solving easier. Surround yourself with people who encourage you, offer advice, and share their experiences. A strong network provides guidance and motivation, especially when you face tough challenges. A positive attitude can make a big difference in how you approach problems. Optimism helps you see possibilities instead of obstacles and keeps you motivated to find solutions. Practice gratitude and focus on what you can control. Overthinking can paralyze your decision-making. If you find yourself stuck, set a time limit for making decisions and trust your process. Remember, it's better to take action and adjust as needed than to remain stuck in analysis paralysis. Not all problems are equally urgent or important. Learn to prioritize by focusing on the most critical issues first. Use tools like the Eisenhower matrix to distinguish between urgent and important tasks. Prioritization helps you use your time and energy more effectively. Staying informed about trends, news, and developments in your field can help you anticipate problems before they arise. Make it a habit to read, watch, or listen to reliable sources regularly. Being proactive gives you an edge in problem solving. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're stuck. Sometimes a fresh perspective or expert advice can make all the difference. Reaching out shows strength, not weakness, and can lead to faster, better solutions. An open mind allows you to consider new ideas and approaches. Avoid getting stuck in old habits or rigid thinking. Be willing to experiment and try different solutions, even if they seem unconventional at first. Learning from real-life examples can make problem-solving more relatable and practical. Study how others have overcome challenges similar to yours. Analyze their strategies and adapt what works for your situation. Problem-solving is an ongoing process. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Flexibility and continuous improvement are key to long-term success. Make it a habit to check in with yourself and refine your approach. Proving your problem-solving skills is a journey, not a destination. By applying these strategies, staying curious, and learning from every experience, you'll become more confident and effective at tackling challenges. Remember, every problem is an opportunity to grow. Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy the process of becoming a master problem solver.